In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Webflow. Linking pages is one of the most basic, but also one of the most important things you'll do when building a website. It's how you connect your homepage to your About page, your contact page, or even specific landing pages. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to link a button to another page in your Webflow project, step by step. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites in your workspace. Find the project you're working on. When you hover your mouse over that project card, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Click that to open the site in the designer. After the designer loads, locate the page and section where you want your button linked to live. If you already have a button on the page, click once to select it. You should see the blue outline around the button, and its name will appear in the top left corner of the canvas, confirming that it's selected. If you don't have a button yet, you can quickly add one using the Add panel, then place it where you want on the page before continuing. With the button selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is your main control area. Make sure you're on the Settings tab, not the Style tab. The Settings tab is where Webflow keeps all the link options and element-specific controls. Inside the Settings tab, find the Link Settings section. This is where you decide what your button should link to. You'll see several link types, and for this video, we want to link to another page within the same project. So choose the option labeled Page. Once you select Page, a drop-down field will appear on the right side of that option. Click on that drop-down, and Webflow will show you a list of all the pages in your project, including your static pages and sometimes CMS templates, depending on your site. From this list, pick the page you want the button to lead to. As soon as you select it, the button is now wired up to that page. To confirm everything works, publish or preview your site, then click the button in the preview. It should take you straight to the page you selected, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully linked pages in Webflow using a button.